Welcome to the announcement of the winners of the 2022 Classical Challenge.
We are excited to announce the first place winner in the individual contest is
Keith R. This was a battle. We had 3 people at the top who just kept battling each other. Ina actually wound up with COVID. She let us know on Facebook.
Last day she lost out.
Yeah, and so she had to bow out, and Keith R. was the winner in the end. So amazing job, though.
Good job, Keith. All right, our second place winner, this was a random drawing, and it ended with the 111th ranked contestant, whose name is
Taylor Y.
And she is also out of the United States.
Congratulations.
Now we did 2 t-shirt drawings. The first one goes to Kelsey K, and she had 8 golden tickets, and she is also from the United States.
Yep, and then the last t-shirt goes to John C with 31 golden tickets.
Good job, everybody. Now we move into the studio prizes, and the winner of that was Lori Dunn Studio out of Canada once again.
No surprise there. Great job, though, you guys.
Yeah, so let's take a look at this next one was a random drawing, and it ended up being the studio that was in 9th place from Romania, Pew Music Company or something. Anyway, fun to see this studio come from Romania and win the prize, $100 Amazon gift card. Congratulations to everybody. We hope you have enjoyed the classical challenge and that you really fell in love with a lot of these classical pieces.
All right. We'll see you in the Ninja Saga Challenge for the month of June. Good luck.
Right. Bye, everybody.